Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you are here today. Just a reminder before I get started for you to hit that subscribe button and that bell, and then you will get a notification every time I post a new wig related video. So today I'm bringing you a review for pinkypromise.com. If you will go to Pinky Promise's website and sign up for their email blast, you can get a code for 30% off. Also, you can email support@pinkypromise.com at any time if you have questions about wigs that are in stock or anything like that. So this is a really cute little style. This is Link by Wille, and the color on this one is Pearl Blonde Rooted. Very cute little pixie. I can't wait to tell you more in just a moment. Okay, let's jump in and talk about this adorable pixie Link. So Link is a very cute short style, heat-friendly fibers. This has their Futura fibers, which are their heat-friendly synthetic fibers. She's really, really cute. She's got a little bit of a bang here, style that, you know, flatters the face, points towards the face if you want it to, or you can point it away. Either way, you can tuck it behind the ears. I'll show you all that in a minute. So let me do a turn and we can look at Link all the way around. Okay, she's super, super cute. So let me tell you what her measurements are. So this bang is 5.5 inches. She has 1.75 inch sides. She has a 6-inch measurement back here from the crown. And then her nape measurement is also 1.75 inches. Weight-wise, she is only 2.3 ounces. She's super, super lightweight. So she does have a lace, a small lace front. She has a monopart, and then she has a lace front that goes from here to here. So I'll show you that lace front. And you can see the knots look good even on this, you know, darker rooted color. So here's that part. And the part goes all the way back to the crown, which is nice. Looks really, really good. She's cute. She's just a very easy throw on and go style, so I'm really liking her. Okay, I'm gonna pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Let's look at this interior cap construction for Link. So here is that part that I'm talking about. There's the lace front and the part that goes almost all the way back to the crown, but it definitely gives the appearance of that it goes to the crown. So, and then you've got the soft velvet right here, you know, against the rest of your forehead, which is nice and comfortable. Closed wefting here on the top. No permatease in this wig that I can find. You've got the soft felt ear tabs, open wefted all through the cap, Velcro adjusters, and extended nape. I'll show you the top and everything here. Okay, so there's that lace front. And then I'll show you the part. The part looks really, really good on this one, very realistic. So you can see that appearance there of the scalp. Looks really, really cute. Okay, I do want to show you the ear tabs too on my head. So they look really good. I've got good coverage. So this is a petite average wig, remember, since it's an Wille. So I think this one could stretch up to average, but not really beyond that. So the cap measurement that they give is 21.25 inches. And then, you know, you can always undo those adjusters, and there's a little extra room in here, but not a whole lot. So just something to note. Okay, so this color, this is the Pearl Blonde Rooted. So they describe this color as, the color code, by the way, is 101-2023. It is a blend of pearl platinum, dark ash blonde, and medium honey blonde. And they don't include this, but it does have the dark rooting. So really, really pretty color. Beautiful blonde. I like how that rooting shows, you know, all through the wig. Some people like that, some people don't, but I think it looks really, really pretty, particularly if you have dark hair and you want to wear a blonde. That's kind of nice. Matches your eyebrows, so looks really good. Super cute. Okay, let's take this color outside and we can look at it in the natural light. Outside with Pearl Blonde Rooted. So there's that little lace front area and her part. Okay, very, very pretty blonde, isn't it? All right, so let's talk about glasses and styling and all that kind of stuff. So, glasses. So glasses are easy with her. I just put them, you know, on top of the wig, on top of my ear tabs, but I try to slide them kind of under the hair. Now, it doesn't matter. You can do it either way, you know. Sometimes the hair might go under. You can just pull it out, or you can leave it under, whatever your preference is. And I'll put the hair behind my ear just so you can see it a little better. So really, really easy, you know. She fits nice and close to the face, so she's really easy with glasses. You could put your glasses up on your head as well. Looks cute. Okay, so I will tuck her behind the ears. One thing you can do with her, you can wear her out like she came, or you can tuck her behind your ears if you want to change the style up a little bit. She looks cute either way. And then she looks cute with a headband. Of course, I love a headband on a pixie. I mean, there's not a ton you can do with them, of course. You can't. It's not like you can do a ponytail or whatever, half up, half down. But you can dress them up with some cute little, you know, headbands and little clips and things like that. She looks good with the leopard one too. We'll do 2 headbands. Super cute, you know. And then, of course, you could just pull back, you know, part of her on one side with a clip if you wanted to, you know, just do little things like that. Maybe a cute little, that clip didn't look too cute. Let's try something like this, you know, something cute. You can always just stick a little, one of these little bobby pin clips just in the hair, you know, just have a little sparkle in the hair, you know, and it looks really, really cute like that. So other than that, I mean, you don't want to pull her all the way back right here because you don't have lace front, you know, all the way. So if you were going to clip her back, I think I would clip her back more. Use this clip. This is a good one. Down lower, you know, like that. And that looks really, really cute. So very, very cute little style, easy little style, you know, great for the summer, and of course in the wintertime when you don't want to have that friction, you know, from sweater collars or coats or whatever, you know, up against rubbing on your hair. So really, really cute little style. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending me this wig to review for you all. Don't forget to sign up for her emails and get that 30% off code. Until next time, I thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.